Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The other week, Lottie came into the studio. She was doing a folio shoot with Peter, and this was meant to be for YouTube, but when we've gone to edit it, we've realized that we're a little bit confused by YouTube's guidelines and what they will limit and what they won't. So we've gone back and re-edited it and given you guys the censored version on YouTube. But if you want to see the much longer version that's got some model training and the full shoot, you can head over to Inspire. There will be a link down below. But we still didn't want you to miss out. So here is a censored version and a little bit of a recap of their shoot together.
With the models I'm working with regularly, we're always trying to upkeep their model portfolio up to date. And for their social media, every time a model posts in their social media, there's a chance that they can pick up a new customer. So with people like Lottie and some of the models I shoot a fair bit, every time we shoot, we at least try and get some new look for their social media to maybe attract a new client for them. So Lottie's got a picture we found on Pinterest that she liked of Candace. So we're just using that as a starting point. So I've decided I'm going to just use a bare bulb and I might drop a scrim in front of, there's a harsh shadow and then there's like a ghosting shadow. So I think a scrim's going to give me that. We've got a grey wall. I haven't taken a single shot yet. I should just take a test shot and see what I get. Cool. So I haven't got any settings applied at all. Get overexposure warning. I know she's going to be overexposed. So with the Candace picture, we're looking at the lights above. We can see the shadow is sitting below her, and it's below her chin, it's below her arms. But there's that sort of like ghosting happening. It's like a second shadow. So I don't know if they put a big soft box with a little light underneath it. I'm just going to try putting a scrim in front of it. So I'm hoping to keep some of the harshness, but add that sort of slightly softer edge to it. I definitely took the power off it. It's just put a fur over the whole thing. So I think they actually used two lights, which I don't want to use. I'm just going to play a little bit. Let's get more of the scrim a fraction lower. So even though we've used that other picture as a reference, that was just a base point. And I could easily just copy that perfectly, but it's not that hard. I'll just bring up another big softbox and put a very slow, soft light to get a secondary soft shadow and keep the harsh shadow from the main light. But I don't want that. I want to do more like a me lighting version of that. And because I'm going to tilt it more, I'm going to bring this in a touch closer. A lot of what I'm doing is sort of, like some of the stuff I'm doing, I know exactly what's going to happen, or I've got a feeling what's going to happen as I do it. But the rest of it's just taking a picture and moving a little bit and seeing if it's better or worse. That's pretty much how I work. I don't want to overthink things. Cool. All right, so you'll see she's powdered off, which has fixed that problem straight away. I've moved her back a fraction too, which has also turned the power of the light down, so I can just see the difference in her legs. So I'm just going to turn this light, point it down even more. So I've pointed it more to the ground, hopefully to darken her face off a touch more and even that picture back up. So it's darkened down her face now rather than lightened her legs, which means I can most likely pump a little bit more. Yeah, I can. You'll see my histogram is sitting pretty much in that center area. And I have a dust spot right on her belly button. Theirs was fairly contrasting, low key, so I might add some of this into it and then do a bit of that. Do you like that slightly darker tone in your skin, or is it too weird?
Yeah, that's actually cool.
I actually really like that. I'm just going to now, I've lifted my tripod a bit higher because I didn't like the angle I was on. I wanted to be more eye to eye. I'm just going to now manipulate the shadow. I think I'm liking that. All right, well, the pressure's on. Lottie's already posted something on social, and her agency has already said how hot she looks. So now we have to have a killer picture. Otherwise, everybody will think we failed. Cool?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm just going to fire a bit while Lottie moves. Cool. I'll let her get into her Macarena a little bit. But it'll just it gets her comfortable. This is more what she's used to doing.
I'm not doing it.
No, but how long since you shot with me?
A while.
A while. So I'm just letting you go back into what you're more used to, and then I'm going to pull you back into my world. And what I'm also doing is looking what I like and what I hate, and based on that, so I know what the model's going to like and what the model's going to hate. So I'm looking at body shapes and what it's feeling like, so I can, when I start coming in and micro posing, cool. That's really cool. Yeah, work those eyes, that's cool. So the first thing I want you to try and do is, you know when you go and work out at gym,
Yeah.
you know how you get that tightness when you're pushing in something?
Yeah.
I want you to add that tightness into your body.
Okay.
So just nearly like tighten your whole body up on every pose, like stretch it all a little bit. Does that make sense? Try not to pull it in your face though. It more needs to be like, cool. It's like cool. Trying to tone your body just by tightening all your muscles, that's cool. Can you pull up onto your toes a little bit now? That's better. That's better. So the toes thing instantly is going to give her a better shaping. Those legs are toned up gorgeously. Are you liking the feel of the body now?
Yeah. I don't know how to position my body.
What part's annoying
I
you?
just feel like it looks like it's not giving powerful strong.
Maybe that's the alternative. Cool. That's cool. Cool. Eyes. All right, so maybe, just work a little bit 45. Cool, that's cool. So where are you? Who's looking at you? Where are you wearing this? All right?
Yeah.
Pick your beach, pick your place. I like the face in that. Cool. I'm going to slow down to this right now because I'm going to let you give me the look, not the pose, the actual look out of the eyes. So you can get your pose, then finish it. That's nice, that's really cool. When I'm liking, have a look, these are looking nice. I like it. Just don't bring your hands up too much on your face. Are you liking this? So I don't like it when your hand's too up here.
Yeah.
See, I don't mind that. Yeah, just play around with it. If there's something you're not liking about your body, tell me, and then I can say, yeah, I can fix that. No, I can't fix that. All right?
Yeah. It was more like that, was it?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Cool. That's nice. That's really nice. Nice. Cool. Don't mind that.
That's cool if I can
Yeah.
make my face looking.
I don't. These are much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually really like that. Are you happy with that shot if we don't get another better one?
We will get a better one.
All right, thank you. Cool. That's really cool. Eyes, yeah, it is about... That's stunning, that's really cool, that's really cool. Do you reckon we got one?
I reckon we can have another round.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure you're happy.
I like it.
That's cool. That's cool. I'll double check that I haven't stuffed the shadow up. No, I like that. I really like that. Cool, that's really cool. Cool. Yeah, your shape's gorgeous. It's the eyes. I just need you to finish with your eyes. Like, cool. Nice. Try not to cover your mouth too much. You want to have a look?
Yeah. Maybe I'll try to just play around with them a bit more so it looks more natural for a few. And I just want my leg stance to be a little bit more wider.
Yeah.
And then I reckon, I really like some of these. Look at my legs are wide enough, you know?
Yeah, that looks cool. That's cool. That's really cool. Cool. I like that. Nice. I like that. I really like that. Cool. Nice. Enough week. I was going to keep shooting till you bailed. I don't mind that.
Yeah, I like it. I like that.
I like that too.
It's really cool.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. As I said, sorry we had to censor it, but if you do want to see the longer uncensored version, Inspire link is down below, and I'll throw up some other shoots we've done with Lottie on the screen now.